kidding.
Give me here, Ellen. Here.
It has made up your head. No. Delete that because I gave you the hat back. And
shoot! Look at my hair. It's so.
I really hate you guys right now.
Okay. No. Okay, this is such. Okay, whatever. That was me.
Would you go?
No.
I wouldn't smoothie.
Or this is payback for what you have done to me.
I haven't done anything.
You were going to steal my car. You didn't want to give me back my
face
hat.
off.
Except you had to borrow one.
I have a camera on my phone. Anna, delete that. I don't
Anna's
want to be in the
depressed.
video.
Anna's really depressed right now.
Anna's depressed.
So?
Here.
You're not depressed.
Whatever, Anna.
Here. I don't want the cowboy hat now. Leave me alone.
Okay.
You have an even smaller head, my god. I can barely put it on my head.
I love videos.
Was that saying something?
Okay, so let's go.